Just pulled my trouser legs up. Trousers were dragging on the floor. I get wet. This is where the little stream comes out. Comes down the valley there. Comes out there by the slipway. And comes down across the beach. This is Inner Hope. And that over there is Outer Hope, if I get it right. And generally it is Hope Cove. And it's, what's it, full moon, whatever, high tides and very low tides. So tides right out. I can go a bit further out. It might actually be on its way back in again, come to think of it. So we've had our midday snack. Oh, that one's going a little bit fast over there. Well, I hope the camera's recording. I now have 3 of these GoPro Hero 7 Black. And one of them plays up quite a bit, overheats and shuts down. And I can never remember which one it is out of the 3. I've got markings on them to tell me which one's which, I just forget. I think it's the one that I'm using. And I'm checking the memory cards just in case it's the memory cards that are causing problems. Because that is possible. That it's trying to write to the card and the card's one of those fakes that doesn't have the full memory. I don't think that's the problem, but it occurred to me to check. Checking a 128 gigabyte card with whatever it's called, H2 something or other tester that reads and writes to every single byte on the card. It takes quite a few hours. It's not quick. Right, I was just recording with my GoPro Hero Black, and I was just saying that one of them plays up. And just as I said it, it beeped, and this message came up. I don't know if it's in focus. Oh, that's better. SD card error. Formatting your card is the only way to fix it, but that will delete your media. I guess that means I've got to go back and see if we've got anything recorded and then format the card. The other thing I was saying, just as it was failing, was I can never remember which of the 3 GoPros I've got that fails. Well, this is the one that I got a little red dot. Don't know if the camera will pick that up. Got a little red dot on the 7. So, looks like that's the one that I've marked to say it has problems. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.